Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration and select it, and here find the option called ringtone and workout broadcasts. First let's tap on ringtone, and here we can adjust the volume for the ringtones like that, and once you're done you can swipe right on the screen to go back. Next let's tap on the workout broadcast, and again we can adjust the sound volume for the broadcasts during the workout. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.